Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm sitting here waiting. I just left Dollar Tree. You guys, I have the most frivolous haul you have ever seen me haul. I literally picked up a bunch of stuff that I did not need. Yes, I've done it before, but not to this degree. And so I'm sitting here getting ready to wait for Pooh Bear to get out of school. I had to park under some shade because it is hot outside. Now, this bipolar weather in California, when I got up this morning, it was kind of cool. It was overcast, and that has went away. I put on my little white thermal shirt. I am burning up. So I got my windows down. I'm sitting in the shaded area. And I figured I would just film this for you guys before I pick him up so I can go home and change my clothes. So let me show you what I have in this bag. I don't even know. You guys, I picked these up and I didn't need these. These are some cute donut keychains like this. And these are the 3 colors that I saw. So I grabbed all 3. And the reason why I was thinking, I was like, okay, these are kind of cute. You know, they don't really look like a donut. They're round. But I was like, okay, you know, if there's those times that you're in the grocery store and you got your keys or whatever, maybe you didn't bring your purse or whatever, and you're doing something and you want to be hands-free. If you put your keys on here, you actually can just put it on your arm like a bracelet and have your keys on there. So I think that's kind of cute. Then again, I don't know if I'm going to use them for that. I had something else in mind, but we will see. But I did get these 3. They had some other donut keychains, and I picked up 2 out of the, I think there was 4 different patterns, but I picked up 2. So they just look like this, little donuts like that. And I love this little pattern right here. I like the little triangles on there. That's supposed to be sprinkles. And it just has the zipper that opens up like that, and it has the clear, you know, little window right there. And so nothing spectacular, but I did think these were kind of cute, so I grabbed these 2. So in one of my other hauls, I was able to find the ones that said, oh snap, the cute little socks. Well, this store had just put some out, so I was able to get another pair, which I'm happy because once I brought them home and my kids seen them, I think my daughter requested the oh snap and my son wanted a pair of these. So I got the nutcrackers that say got nuts. I picked up another pair of those. Then these are out pretty much every year in the Dollar Tree, but I picked up another pair, and they are the cute little owls, and these are the knee-high socks. So I picked that up. Another knee-high pair were the cute little penguins like this, and the bottom is red. And then I saw these that say pug. I thought these were cute, and he's wearing a little Santa Claus hat. And it says Bahum Pug, like Bahum Pug. And they have little snowflakes on them. So these are super cute. I grabbed these with the gold color, like little reindeer on them. Really, really cute. I like that the toes look like it's snow. And there's his little backside. And he has a little bow on his body and everything. And then the last pair of socks that I grabbed were these. And it's like a little elf girl, and she's holding a camera. And on the bottom, it says hashtag selfie, but then it's elf. So she's a little elf, and she's holding a cell phone talking about a selfie. So I thought those were super cute. And you guys know I have a weakness for socks, so I had to grab them. I saw this juice and I'm not too thrilled about it. I'm going to go chill it and see if I actually like it because I do like the green juices and stuff from like Jamba Juice. So this is a V8 and I have not seen this in a store or even in a little bottle like this. It does expire April 24th, 2019. And so it's lower sugar Caribbean greens made with coconut water, no sugar added. So I went ahead and picked up one of these. Then I saw these cute little cups, and at first I was like, okay, what are those? So I opened them up. There is a paper on the inside, and I was looking at it, and they're by this company called Fuel, and they say Fuel on them right there. And I was thinking it was like something, because they are small, and I was thinking it was something like maybe for some condiments, like use it for oils or I don't know, something in the kitchen, but it's actually a cup. So it has the little straw on it like that. And it just says fuel, juice bottle, fill me up. And so they're tiny. So what I decided I was going to do was just use these for Pooh Bear. And it has a little sprout right here, but it doesn't, it goes down. It has this lever, but that's as far as it'll go up. So this will be cute for him to just take to school, keep his little water, some cold water in there while he's at school. Because you guys know he only goes to school for 3 hours. So still in preschool. And so I just thought these would be cute for him to take. And so I picked up both colors that I saw. One of the reasons I went into Dollar Tree was to get some Fabuloso. I really like this one. It's the one with the baking soda, the citrus and fruits. I think it smells really good. So I went in there to get that one. But then I also picked up this one, the Multi-Action Complete. And yeah, so it is a smaller bottle, but this is more like a stronger, like a complete kind of multi-action formula. So this is what I literally went in there for. Then I also grabbed these Airheads bath bombs, and these are so cute. I think my daughter is going to love these, hopefully. But this one is, it says inspired by the scent of your favorite candy, and it's blue raspberry. And yeah, make sure if you have little ones at home, you put these up, because you don't want one of the little ones to grab a hold of this and think it's candy and take a bite. But this one is strawberry. I can't wait to smell this one. And then they also have watermelon. And these are super cute. They're kind of small. They're really, really small in there. I thought it would be like one of a little bit bigger. But they're small. But I just had to get these for my daughter to try them out. Just because I never seen that fragrance before. And then I also picked up these two phone stands that look like this, and I got the rose gold, or is that, yeah, it's rose gold and blue. And so I got me the rose gold one. Those are the only two colors I saw, and then I got my daughter the blue one. So it's just like a little stand. Let's see how this works. Oh, so it has it like that, and then there's the grooves back there, so you can make it like this, higher or all the way back. And then your phone can sit right here on the front, or it can turn sideways. So that was cute. I thought that was cute. It's kind of loose, but we'll see once I sit it down and put my phone on it how good it works. So I did pick up the rose gold one for me and the blue one for my daughter. And last but not least, I can never pass up the cute little headbands and stuff and the elastic bands. So I saw this set right here, and they had other ones like pink and everything, but I thought this was so cute because it's a gold one right here, and it has these little tassels hanging. So once I put it on in my ponytail or whatever, it'll have these cute little tassels hanging. And I just got the colors that I like, the blue and the gray and the black. Or actually that's not black, it looks kind of navy, I couldn't tell. So I got those. And then I love any kind of head stuff that looks like denim. And this is just a head wrap, and it has the denim type of look to it. They had some other ones, but I picked up that one, and then I picked up this one because I think this is super cute, you know, to put across your hair right here. And it's just a head wrap. So that is it. That's it for today. I did not even plan on a haul, you guys. I literally went in there to get this, and then I seen all that other stuff, and like I said, I got a weakness for socks, so I ended up picking up some. So with that being said, I'm going to wrap this video up and wait for him to get out, and then that way I can go home and get about this shirt, because when the camera's not on, I got my AC blowing. I thought it was going to still be cold out here. We got a little bit of rain like 3 days ago, but that was it. Yeah. So I think I have some pictures that I will add next to this. If you are new, hit that subscribe button. I'd love for you to stick around. And for everybody else, thank you for always returning. I hope all of you guys are having a beautiful day, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.